Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Volkswagen Passat Wolfsburg Edition, stock number Z8859A. Only 52,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Reflex Silver Metallic in color. Passat is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. It's in the midsize car class, seats 5. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pulling the tab on either side allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. This Wolfsburg Edition has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest with auxiliary input as well as direct iPod connectivity. Large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Passat has a 2.5 liter, 5-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway. All that with new tires and new brakes. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.